Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying out the new strength recipe kit by Curlsmith. I am in love with this kit. It's something that I never knew that I needed, but now it's a part of my routine. And a lot of curly girls can be confused about why you need protein versus moisture. What do you need? How much of it do you need? How often do you need to use it? And Curlsmith has got you. They have it on the box where you can figure out what your porosity is from low to medium to high, and just by doing a simple strand test. So you can decide what your porosity is based on the results. And for me, I have medium porosity. So I use this kit every other wash, probably every third or fourth wash. So I'm really happy with the results, the way that my hair feels. I'm going to show you guys how I get these results using these products. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel because I've been really awesome about getting content out regularly. I'm actually posting on YouTube again. And I also post regularly on my curly Instagram, which is at curly.locks with 2 X's. I'll plug it down below. I can't wait to get into the video, so here we go. Here's what my hair is looking like right now. Definitely very frizzy as you can see, but it's like the 4th or 5th day hair. And my last wash day, I did the turquoise hair makeup from Curlsmith in my hair, and I really liked how it turned out, but it's definitely really faded. You can see some little blue remnants here. So it's time to do some magic to my hair. Here are the 3 things that I'm going to be using today. First off is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I love this stuff. I've used these 3 products once before, and I've gone about, like 3 washes since I used this. So I'm going to use this again because I have medium porosity. So you want to use it every other wash day and maybe like once a month, maybe twice a month. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This stuff is amazing. Every curly girl needs this. At some point, you're gonna need some bond building, and this is perfect for that. Also, at some point, you're gonna need some protein treatment or cream in your hair. Your hair is composed of proteins and moisture to make it look very nice and voluptuous and healthy. And when it's over moisturized, sometimes your hair literally feels mushy. The curls will not always spiral when you're over moisturized. So this type of thing will really even you out and just make your hair look bomb. Here's the 3rd product that I'm going to be using. I love this stuff. Usually I would use a volume foam before the cream, but I actually started using it afterward and love the results. So this is my new routine when I'm using the strength recipe kit. I'm just going to start by wetting down my hair and then applying the Bond Salve. What I like doing is just applying one even coat all over first, and then I'll section it off and kind of get a better coverage. So I have about that much, and I'm just going to be running it through, making sure I get my ends really, really well. I had the Bond Curl Salve on for about 40 minutes and then just rinsed it out. So now I'm going to apply the Featherlight Protein Cream in my hair. Now it's time for the volume foam. I've noticed with Curlsmith, a little goes a long way, so just remember that when you're applying products. I'm gonna go diffuse and come back in about 20 minutes. Here's my fully dried hair. I haven't done anything fancy to it yet. So what I usually like to do after I'm done diffusing is putting an oil or a serum on my hair just to seal in all that moisture. So today I'm going to be using my favorite, the Intense Treatment Serum. And obviously this is coming off because I used it so much. But I like to take a little bit of it. Just, let me see, like probably that much. You don't really need a whole lot. And you'll rub it in your hands and it'll warm up and become liquid. And make sure to get it on the back of your hair too, because a lot of times that's where we need a lot of our moisture. So another thing I like to do is to gather my hair forward and then kind of just go like this at the roots. If you have a pick, you can also use a pick. What I like to do is insert it and then lift up. So here is the finished product, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm always so surprised every time I use Curlsmith how well my hair turns out, and I'm just always happy with the results. Here are my final thoughts about the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I love it. This should be in every curly girl's hair kit. I think that it is the best bonding treatment on the market. I would even argue to say that it's even better than Olaplex. I know that they do separate things, but if you were gonna choose one thing out of the two, I would definitely go with this. Here are my thoughts on this one, the protein cream. I never knew that I needed a protein cream. This kit has taught me so much more about my hair. I know that I've been transitioning for over 2 years now, but I'm still learning and still growing in this community. After using this kit, it's really taught me the importance of knowing your own hair porosity and why it's so important. I have medium porosity. That tells me how often I need to be using a protein treatment or the Bond Curl Salve. Last but not least, I'm obsessed with this volume foam. It's the first foam that Curlsmith has come out with, and it's phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Everyone needs this. And even if you're not interested in the other protein products, this is definitely a must-have. So all in all, I'm very happy with the way that my hair turned out today. It feels very light, very voluminous. I actually tend to go for a stronghold gel. I usually go for the in-shower style fixer. If you can see, I think I have like 3 of them up here, but I really like that product. It actually took me by surprise that when I was done diffusing, I had nothing to scrunch out. There was no crunch. There was no like extra thing on my hair that I had to get rid of. It was just light and fluffy, and I loved it. I want to say thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. It would really help out if you subscribed and liked this video. And I'm not sure about commenting. Sometimes the comments are off, but you can always go to my Instagram and comment down below or DM me. And my Instagram is at curly.locks with 2 X's at the end. I want to thank you again for all of the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.